Hi, I'm Cloney. I make contents on good to know stuff in life in general. So, welcome. Now, how to take criticisms. One of the reasons bakit natatakot tayo mag-vlog is because of criticisms. Kung kaya dati, I didn't use my name in this page kasi I was thinking na if ever meron akong bashers, they will never know that it is me behind this page kasi nga, anonymous. But then, it all changed nung nabasa ko yung Show Your Work by Austin Kleon. Sabi, kapag nag-post tayo online, alam natin sa sarili natin that a lot of people will see it. A lot of people will know about it. Kasi nga, it's there out in the world. Kung kaya, if nagdadalawang isip ka, if hindi ka pa ready, save mo muna sa draft. And once you're ready, then that's the time na ipapublish mo. The thing is, magkakaroon at magkakaroon tayo ng bashers, whether we like it or not. Kasi nga, no matter how good your intentions are, people has always something bad to say. And it's normal. That's human nature. And we can control anong klaseng criticisms ang ibabato sa atin. But one thing is for sure, we can control how we respond to it. What's the worst thing that could happen if meron kang basher? Is it the end of the world? Hindi. Will you allow those few criticisms stop you from doing what you love? Hindi. Maybe at first, affected tayo. But then, the more and more we take in criticisms, the more we'll realize that it can't hurt us. Sabi pa nga sa book, the trick is not caring what everybody thinks of you and just caring about what the right people think of you.